Hi everybody, welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie. My name is Jackie Panetta, and today I'm going over the Forex Gump EA trading robot and my review of it. And I just gotta tell you right now, I really like this bot. It makes me a good amount of money and I totally recommend it. I've been trading it for about 2 months, about a month in demo and a month live, and I haven't had no complaints. Just on your screen you should be seeing their website, Forex Gump website. They do have a live account, which is one of the things I like to look for when you're looking at EAs online. Excuse me. You want to make sure that people are showing you live accounts, not demo. Okay, real accounts. Okay. One thing that is a difference between what I do and the developers recommend is that they don't close trades. I do. I don't like closing trade. I don't like to leave trades open over the weekend. I don't normally like to do that, but they've been doing it, the developers, and they haven't had any issues. So I don't know. I might start leaving it open just to see how it reacts. But right now it's just pretty much I'm pretty comfortable with closing it every week, as long as I make my profit goal for the week and my drawdown is less than 2%, I'm good. So moving on, they have their strategy that they list on here. Things I'm going to point out, we're running on the M1 time frame. They recommend about the 9 currency pairs, pretty much standard pairs or major pairs. That's what you start off with. I would totally recommend starting with those, just so you can see how it works. They recommend a $4,000 standard account. This is standard. $40 micro account. If CoinEx is your broker like mine is, you're dealing with standard accounts. So I would say that you would have a $4,000 account to trade all 9 currency pairs. If you don't have that kind of money, I would say I would recommend you start with maybe 1,000 and trade only 1 currency pair. Okay. So the price is I like the price too. I only have 1 license for both my live and my demo because I don't need any more, because I have a robot for every trading account that I use. I use a different trading robot for them. Okay. So this bot, it only costs like $200, $210 US dollars, because it's $199 in euro. So $210 in US, you get a lifetime license, live demo, free support, free updates, and 30-day money-back guarantee. And I'll explain that 30-day money-back guarantee. So you have to have made money. You have to have not made money in the 30 days in order for them to refund your money back. Okay. So that's how confident that these developers are with their software. So if you don't make any money, you have to show proof of that. So you have to use like MyFXBook or FX Blue Live to show an accounting, or your MetaTrader 4 download of your trades, but you have to show proof that you didn't make any money in order for them to refund yours. Okay. And then also, so that's for 1 license, and then they do offer it as 3 live licenses for a discounted price, of course. That's about $410, but you have unlimited demo accounts to use. Okay, so those are the pricing, and I thought it was very fair, especially since it's a lifetime license, and I've more than made up the cost of my 1 license already in a month, so I'm not even worried about that. I really enjoyed this. So let's take you to the bot so you can see. Okay, so this is what the bot looks like in MetaTrader 4. Okay, this is my demo account, and I know I told you, hey, you gotta look for real accounts and stuff like that. I'm showing you demo right now, and then I'll show you my live account. Okay, so demo. As you can see, I'm running yen pairs this month. Last month I was doing the standard pairs that they gave me, and I did successfully, so I was trading with those. Now I'm running yen pairs, see what's up with these and see how it goes. Depending on your broker, yen pairs tend to make a little less money, so than the major pairs. So you just gotta be aware of that. So don't think that you're gonna make the same amount of money when you trade yen pairs than you do the rest of the other ones, because it depends. So that's what this is. This is what it looks like, and just to give you a bigger version of it. So as you can see, it's trading live, okay, and it gives you your general information. As you can see, I'm trading with CoinEx. CoinEx is my broker. You know, I've been with them for over 2 years. I'm very happy with them. No issues. And I traded account leverage of 500. You know, the developers recommended, 100 and above. Okay, I always do 500. And then I just want to caution you to the margin. Make sure you pay attention to your margin, because you don't want to get stopped out. You don't want to get margin called. Okay, so that's why I said if you have 4,000 and above, it's fine to trade all 9 currency pairs. But if you have less than 4,000, then I would recommend only trading one currency pair. Okay, and it's up to your choice on which one you want to do. That was my recommendation based on my experience. Okay, and this is the euro yen. But pretty much I just wanted to give you, this is what it looks like, and it's auto trading, so I'm really not doing too much with it. I'm just kind of just watching it, making sure that the sucker's on, making sure that it's doing what it do, and I keep it moving, making sure my margin's good, and making sure my drawdown, what my floating P&L is compared to my drawdown, make sure that's good. One thing you want to check on is your lot size. So like I said, when you're at 4,000 and above, you're going to be trading at 0.01, okay, as your standard lot size. Now, the amount of money you make will depend on how much risk you take. When it's on the high level risk setting, I believe your lot size multiplier is 1.5. I believe on the medium it's 1.3, and then on the low it's 1.0. Okay, so I personally I don't like doing high risk anymore. I trade more conservatively. So I did trade on the low setting, and I was pretty comfortable with the amount of money I made on that. This is actually in demo, and I'm trading on the medium risk setting right now. So this is why you see that 0.01 and you see the 0.02, because I'm doing it at 1.3 risk setting. Alright, so other than that, the next thing that you want to do is just kind of take a look at it and just watch it, and then let it make you your money. That's all you pretty much have to do. Choose whatever currency pairs you want to use. I just wanted to just tell you guys that, because like I said here, they tell you use these, right? Okay, and that's fine if you're a newbie and you don't really know anything about currency pairs and you just want to get started and flip it on and make some money. Sure, go ahead, use those. But as you get more experienced, you want to start using different currency pairs until you find your set that works the best for you with your broker and works with this EA and makes you the most money. Okay, so that's why I'm testing different ones. I may not use all those yen pairs going forward. Maybe only 3 of those are the best, but I pick the best and I keep it moving, that kind of thing. So you start with these and then you progress. That's kind of what you need to do, is what I think, if you want to continue to be a trader and make money at this and make a bigger money out of it. But only at 4,000 and above do you trade multiple currency pairs. I don't care if it's 2. If you're 4,000 and above, if anything below 4,000, only trade one currency pair. Okay, pick whatever currency pair you want. If there's a favorite, use that. If not, you want a demo first, pick the best one that performs out of demo and then go live with it. Whatever thought process you use, those are just my recommendations for you to be a little safer. Alright, so with that being said, let's go to my FX Blue Live so you can see. So this is the demo account, and I'm just going to show this to you. I'm clicking on overview really quickly. Since this is such a busy account, it takes so long for it to go from tab to tab. Yes, it says $1 million, but that's because I used a different EA that generated it that high. But that's neither here nor there. What I wanted you to pay attention to is that this is a demo account. All right. So the last update was like 420, and the time now is about 4:37. So okay, 4:34. There you go. This is a little bit more fresh. So you see your floating P&L is 56, right? And what I want you to, what I pay attention to is I go to Analysis tab. If you guys see my other videos, you know I like this tab a lot. All right, and when I say you want to, I've used this bot. By the way, it's filtered because I've used this bot in this account since February 16th of 2020. It's filtered because I've used this account for multiple different things. So I'm only used this account for this EA from February 16th, 2020. So that's why I have it filtered. All right, so now I have this column set at net profit, okay? Because when I said if you want to pick say you want to pick that one currency and you're really not sure how to do it, come to this tab after running it in demo for like a week or two, and then filter by net profit and see which one is the best performing, and then pick that and go live and see how you do. And here for the last 2 months the euro yen's been doing really good. So that's one thing you could try. And then I have the pound yen that's doing real good as well. But I gotta tell you that's as of the last 2 weeks. So you could take it either here, neither here nor there. These ones that's in negative, that's because I was closing accounts on Fridays because I don't leave them open. So these may not be true for you if you decide to leave your account trades open over the weekend. Okay, I haven't really decided on whether I wanted to do that or not. Mostly I don't. I pretty much just want to make my goal for the week, stop what I'm doing, turn it off, and keep it moving the next week. I don't like really leaving things open unless I absolutely have to. If I'm trading one currency, which is actually what happened to me the previous week, then yeah, I would leave it open over the weekend if I have a bunch of trades that's open and my drawdown is more than 2% from my profit. Then I do leave it open so it closes the next week so I can walk away with all my profit. But other than that, I close down by actually on Thursdays. I really don't like trading on Fridays either, even though this bot will run all week. But that's my trading style. Your trading style could be completely different. Okay, so that's the demo account, and then I know your eyes are like, okay, yeah, demo. Let's see what you got live. All right, so this is one of my live accounts. All right, pay no attention because I've used this account for multiple different things, but this is a real account. This is my live account. Let's see, it was last one 422. There you go, 437. That's closer now. All right, so with this live account, I've only been using this since March 15th, so it's been a month. Alright, and so this is what I want you to pay attention to. So the percentages are pretty good. I do have 1.2% peak drawdown, but that's because I close every week. If I wasn't closing every week, I wouldn't have no drawdown at all. Okay, but the stats are really good. Stats are looking really nice. This is why I like it a lot. You'll see the euro yen, I was using it a lot because at one point I was just trading just that. This is the first week that I've been trading. I traded like 7 currencies. Okay, so I was just doing the one currency thing because I wanted to prove to you guys you can make your money. Alright, so anyway, here's the weekly profit that I was making. And because, again, this week, the current week that we're in, is the first week that I am trading 7 different currencies, and I'm trading at 0.02, right? And remember, I said if it's 4,000, it's 0.01. So every 4,000, you go up 0.01. So it's 0.01 per 4,000. So since this account was at like 11 grand or something this week, it's 0.02 for me until it hits 12, and then it's 0.03 for me, and then so on and so forth. Okay, so that's kind of where that came from. But these weeks was just trading the yen, euro yen, and I was trading it at 0.01 per thousand, whatever the account was at this time. Okay, so I actually was combining accounts, so that's why it's a little bit larger balance than it was in previous weeks. Okay, but the key point I want you to see is I'm making money. 3 to 5%. That's pretty good weekly. Okay, that's nice. I'm not doing anything but turning the bot on. All right, so that's why I'm confident in this. Again, you do what you feel, and these are just recommendations on my end, but I think this is a great bot, and I just recommend everybody else to try it and see what it does for you. It's not a lot of money to invest in to get going and starting your own passive income and just progress. And they got free support, and if you need any help, I'm more than willing to help you. Of course, you would just need to tell me you have a live license, and you have to show me proof you have a live license, because I'm not finna just give you all my secrets and you don't even have the license. But I want you to make money as I'm making money, and I figure this is one of the bots that can help y'all do it. Okay, so that's pretty much it on the Forex Gump EA. I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description box of this video. There's one link for the 1 license, there's another link for 3 licenses, and then I'll also leave the registration link to my broker CoinEx if you don't have a broker of your own. But remember, CoinEx uses cryptocurrency to fund accounts, and I have another video where it talks about how to fund a live CoinEx account and what you do to do that, and I'll make sure I leave that link as well. Alright, well, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave the question for me. Take a look, let me know how you feel, and talk to you guys soon. Happy trading. Bye.